In my opinion, the best view of this convertible, it's the 3/4 view. It just looks fantastic, super sporty, athletic. And if you move a little bit more towards the rear, you can see the broad shoulders. Maybe we should take a closer look inside the car. You can see here you have some perforated leather, extremely high quality. This is from BMW individual. You have the glass application, so you can see the number 8 engraved inside the knob, and also the crystals around the iDrive controller. You have two large 12.3 I believe inch screens, one behind the wheel, and of course the one on top of the dashboard. It runs on operating system 7, iDrive 7.0. It's the latest from BMW, similar to what you see in the X5, X7, and the new 3 Series. In the back here, you have a wind deflector, so you can raise that up to help with the wind, a little bit of the noise. Since it's an X-Drive, you can of course go with this one in the snow. I had a chance to actually test the M850i Coupe on the snow in Austria just a couple of weeks ago, and the car was fantastic. Great grip. Of course, I had winter tires on, but the X-Drive system just worked perfectly, even if you have over, 520, 530 horsepower. I can show the trunk a little bit too. I have my gear in there. You can at least see the space. You can actually push back and you can see there is a lot of space. You can put this thing down. Basically, when the roof is up, you can push this forward and it will open up even more space. So realistically, you can probably fit a couple of small carry-ons, or maybe a large bag in a duffel bag or a backpack. Compared to the Coupe, it's about 120 kilos heavier due to the roof mechanism, so it's not too bad. And I will tell you more of the driving experience and if it makes a difference or not. And you can see the athletic view from the side as well. It's quite sporty. Honestly, everywhere I drove today, there were people taking out their cell phones and snapping photos or videos. People asking me about the car. There were people here in this neighborhood, which is pretty wealthy, asking about the price of the car when it's available. So it's clearly an eye grabber. I mean, it's fantastic from all views, and it just looks great on the road. You can see at the front also the M Sport brakes. That's part of the M850i. If you get the regular 840D or 840i, you can also add the M Sport brakes as options. You can also add an M Sport package. You can see the air breathers on the side as well. We have a little M logo on the fender. Always a pleasure, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.